So in this video, we're going to talk about creating yourself a lead capture page, what a lead capture page is exactly, and why everyone needs to have one. So right now we're looking at CakeUpNow.com, which is actually Jesse's lead capture page. So a lead capture page is simply a page that you can send prospects to where you can capture leads. And these are going to be warm leads because the way that it works is people are going to come to this website. They're simply going to see a video, watch the video, and then fill out this application to be contacted. So if they fill out that application, they at least watched part of the video. Hopefully they watch the whole video, but they're interested in Wake Up Now. They want to be contacted about Wake Up Now. So we would call that a warm market lead. And this is something that's been proven successful. All the top leaders in Cake Up Now have one of these pages. I myself have been using one, and I've generated a significant amount of leads by using this. So this is a website that you get that we're going to show you how to create yourself in just a few short minutes. And then what you'll want to do is just put this link anywhere that you can think of, Facebook, your Instagram account, Craigslist, the internet. That's something we can talk about separately. But you'll want to get that link out. Just send as many people to this website as possible. And again, we've talked multiple times about how this is all a numbers game. So the more places that you post this link to your website, the more people that are gonna go to the website, the more people that are gonna watch the video, means more people are gonna fill out the form, and that's gonna lead to more signups. So now what we're gonna do is show you how to make this simple lead capture page, and you don't really want to change it up too much. Simplicity is key. So what you guys are going to want to do is go to Weebly, Weebly.com. This is what we are using to create these lead capture pages. It's very simple. It's very easy. Absolutely anyone can do it. So the first thing you're going to do is sign up over here if you don't have an account already. So John Rivers. This is a account I made that should be good to go. Password that you want, hit sign up. It's completely free. And then this is going to take you in here. Focus, you can just hit site for now. Theme, you are able to choose this later as well. So you guys can choose any one of these themes. I would recommend just doing this one right here. This is the one that we've been using. Choose the color red and just hit choose. And I would stick with red. That's the most eye-catching color. That's the most effective color to use. So go ahead and choose this theme here. And then that's going to take us into the website creation. Choose your website domain. So with this, you're going to click use a subdomain of Weebly.com. And I'm just going to use the same as this email right now. johnrivers1.weebly.com. So that's going to be your website. Now you can purchase a domain through Weebly, but you do not want to do that. It's too expensive. You're going to actually want to purchase the domain through GoDaddy, and I'll show you that at the very end. But that's simply going to be getting rid of this .weebly. So if you just want johnriverswun.com, you're going to need to buy a domain. But you can have this domain here with the .weebly.com completely for free. I would recommend purchasing a domain that's going to look more professional. Get the .weebly.com off of there. It's only $12.99 a year through GoDaddy. So I would recommend doing that. But for now, just use a subdomain of Weebly.com and click continue. And it's going to say welcome to Weebly. And we can just close out of that for now. So everything is drag and drop from the left side here. So it's pretty darn easy. And what you're going to want to do is open a separate tab of CakeUpNow.com. And we'll pretty much just be able to copy some things off of here. And that way you can make sure that you're doing it basically the same way. So the first thing we'll want to do is just drag title. You just click and drag from the left side. Click and drag. And it says drag elements here. And so just drag it over there. And then what you can do is just jump over to the CakeUpNow, and you can just copy this if you want. Just copy and paste it onto here. A problem occurred. I don't know why it said that. Oh, you know what? I think we just want text. Some weird error with Safari. Yeah, just do text, not title. My mistake. And then you can use this guy here to center it. And then the plus and minus we can use to make it bigger. So free video, we can show you how to make money online today. And let's see, if we want to make that red, you can change the color right there also. So change color, so now you've got that. And then if you look here, right below that is the video. So if you scroll down a little bit here, you'll see media, YouTube. So just click and drag YouTube. You'll see the blue line that comes up here. So just get that right below the text and just go ahead and release that there. So that's going to put this, add a YouTube video to your website. And what I would recommend using is either the CakeUpNow presentation that Jesse has on CakeUpNow.com, or you can use the Brandon Boyd Wake Up Now business presentation. Either one of those works very well. If you want to deviate from one of these two videos, I would talk to myself or one of your sponsors first to make sure you're using an effective video. And then what you're going to do is just actually go ahead and click on this add a video, and then just paste that YouTube video that you just copied in there, and then just click anywhere, click off of that box, and then that's going to go ahead and update that. So we've got the Wake Up Now business presentation pasted in there. And then below that, what we're going to actually want to put is the form entry. So if you go back on the left side here and scroll to the top under basic, we've got contact form. So just go ahead and click and drag contact form. Again, get this blue line directly below the YouTube video. And just go ahead and drop that contact form there. And then we can jump back over here to CakeUpNow.com and we can just copy this. Fill out this application to be contacted. So then go back to your website here. And I don't know why Safari keeps getting an error when I copy and paste. I'll just type it in manually. Fill out this application to be contacted. Alright, so we've got that, and then you'll see on the left side here, it's giving us some additional fields for this application. So what we want to do is actually add phone number right under the name. So you'll see on the left side here, phone number. So go ahead and click and drag phone number over, and that's going to put phone number in there. And then what we also want is a short text box to go under email. So you guys can click and drag that, get the blue line right under email. And then if we click there, you'll see field title, and we can change that. So we can put in, oops, click back on there, field title. What did you like most about the video? So we've got that there. So name, phone number, email, what did you like most about the video, and a comment, space for them to put a comment, and then hit save. So that way you're going to get their name, you're going to get their phone number, their email, so you can contact them. You're going to know what they liked most about the video, which you can use to talk to them when you call them, and also a space for them to put some comments. And when they submit that, that's going to go to the email that you used when you registered your Weebly account. So if you want to create a separate email for these form entries, might recommend doing that so they don't get all cluttered up in your primary email if your primary email gets a lot of spam and stuff. So what I'm going to do here is jump back. So below the form capture, we just want to have a little text. Let me just click the X here to delete these. All right. Oops. So this text box right below here, you can just copy and paste this from Jesse's again. And let's see if Safari. There we go. All right, so then we're just going to highlight all of this so we can make it a little smaller. So just click the minus sign up there a couple times. Make it a little smaller. Get rid of some of the space there. And then obviously we can put our own name instead of their names. So Bill Hain, add me on Facebook. All right, so we got that. So we're looking pretty good now. We got our text title at the top here, free video. We have our YouTube video presentation, our contact form for them to be contacted, and a little brief description at the bottom. So then what we're going to do is just scroll up to the top, and then my site here, you can change that to whatever you like. CakeUpNow if you want to use that, or whatever. I'm just going to put Wake Up Now for right now. And then what we're going to do next is create and change a couple of these tabs up here to the right. And the way that we're going to do that is by going to Pages up at the very top of the screen. So just go ahead and click up there. And then on Home here, we can change that from Home. I'm going to put Wake Up with an exclamation point. You can put something different if you like. And then I'm just going to hit Save and Edit. So now you'll see that it says Wake Up instead of Home. So go back up top to Pages here. And what we're going to do is actually delete this About. So just hit Delete and then Contact Page and hit Delete Page for that so we can get rid of those. And now up at the top here, click Add Page. And this is going to be an external link. And page name is going to be Hub Life. And then what you're going to need to do is just get the Hub Life link so we can jump over to CakeUpNow.com, click on Hub Life, and then at the top of the screen just copy the Vimeo link there and then just paste it in here. Just make sure you don't have the HTTP twice. So just delete that and then hit Save and Edit. And now you'll see we have Hub Life over there. So once again, go up top to Pages, and at the top hit Add Page. This is going to be external link as well. And now this one's going to be to join your team. So you can put something like Join Now. And then external site is just going to be the link to your Wake Up Now page. So mine's just going to be billhain.wakeupnow.com. And click Save and Edit. So now we have Wake Up as our home, Hub Life, and Join Now. Go up to the top again, back to Pages. And we're going to add two more. So I'll hit Add Page. This is going to be a standard page. And this one I'm going to name Videos. Click No Header. And then click Save and Edit down at the bottom. And then go up top to Pages once again. Add Page at the top. Standard page also. Page name is Gallery. No header again. And then hit Save and Edit. So now we've got Wake Up as our home page, Hub Life, Join Now, so they can sign up, Videos, and Gallery. So the videos and gallery are just going to be for you if you want to add some additional content for your prospects and people checking out the pages. So you can go over here and click on the videos tab. It says drag elements here like we did before. So you can scroll down to media and just click and drag YouTube over. Maybe we want to have a couple, so click and drag another YouTube under that one, and maybe throw in a third one underneath that one. So now you've got 3 spots here. Again, you would just click on one of these videos to bring up the box. YouTube video URL, just put the URL there. And then people will have some additional videos that they can check out there if they like. Maybe you go into the ATM and pulling out some money, or a video, is Wake Up Now a scam, or whatever you want to put in there so people can check out that additional information. And then just click over on your gallery tab. And this is where you're going to want to throw some pictures. So you can just click on gallery under basic on the left, drag gallery over. Then you can very easily upload images from your computer right onto the website from here as well. So get some pictures up on there of yourself, some money, Wake Up Now, CakeUpNow, the team, traveling. Nice lifestyle pictures just on there for people to check out as well. All right, so now that we've got that done, you can click back on your Wake Up or home page, and you can see it's looking pretty good. Also at the top, if you just move your mouse up here, it'll bring up links for your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email. You can click add more if you want other stuff here, such as your YouTube channel, and you can put those links in there so people can click there. And at the top, there's a spot for add text where you can put in, follow me on Facebook and YouTube today. And maybe put a little arrow so they can see it. And that way they can reach you that way as well. So now we have a nice completed lead capture page. So we've got our title, we've got our tabs there, our title, video, contact form, brief description at the bottom. So that's pretty good. Simplicity is the key, guys. It doesn't need to be anything complicated. This is something that anyone can do, anyone can create in just a few short minutes. You guys see how easy it is using Weebly, and that's why we want everyone to use this and duplicate this system. So now the last thing you want to do is up at the very top in the orange, click on Publish and categorize your website. You can just hit skip. We don't need to worry about that. And what this is going to do is publish your website and make it a live, functioning website at the link that it shows here, johnrivers1.weebly.com. And they're letting us know again that johnrivers1.com is also available. But again, we do not want to register that domain through Weebly. It's just too expensive. We recommend using GoDaddy instead. So I will show you that in a second. So you can just click the X up at the top. And then if we go to a different tab and type in our new website, johnrivers1.weebly.com, you'll see that is a live, up, and functioning website, looking exactly how we customized it there. So now people can come on here, free video. They can click the video, watch the video.
Let me ask you a question. How many of you would...
And then after they watch the video, they can fill out this application to be contacted, so you have their information. You know what they like most about the video, so you can use that information when you call them, and a short comment. That's going to go directly to your email address, so you're able to generate those warm market leads. You'll see Hub Life. If we click on that, takes us to the Hub Life video on the Wake Up Now Vimeo page. If we click Join Now, it'll take us directly to my Wake Up Now page where they can sign up. And then videos and gallery, if I have any content on there, is going to show up there as well. So you're good to go at this point. We do highly recommend, though, registering a domain through GoDaddy so you can get rid of that .weebly.com at the end of your website, make it look a little bit more professional. So for that, we would just go to GoDaddy.com. Start your domain search, so we can type in whatever domain we want. So I'll type in John Rivers 1 and just hit go. And then what that's going to do is search for us and let us know if it's available. So it says johnrivers1.com is available. It's only $12.99 for the year. So it's very cheap. Again, we do recommend doing this. It's going to look more professional without having a .weebly at the end. Just hit add, go through, purchase that. For the $12.99, you would just do domain only, hit add, go through the steps there. Or you guys can just call GoDaddy if you want. Their customer service is really great. So once you finish that, you're going to have that website, johnrivers1.com. And then all you have to do is give GoDaddy this link, the johnrivers.weebly.com link. Just give that to GoDaddy so that they can be connected together. And I was able to figure that out myself. Otherwise, you can just call GoDaddy and they'll be able to walk you through it and get it linked and set up for you so that you can just send people directly to johnrivers1.com. All right, so that is how to create a successful lead capture page. Make sure you guys are doing this. Should be very easy for you guys to do. Use it, get as many people to this website as you can, and that's going to get you guys lots and lots of warm leads coming in, people that you can talk to.